Did you know you might be sitting on a hidden $10,000 tax refund? That's exactly what happened to a client of mine. She had $20,000 in unused capital losses from previous years, basically a credit she could apply against investment profits to lower her tax bill. But she and her accountant both missed it. She had over $100,000 in investment gains last year, but because she didn't use those losses, at her tax rate, that slip-up cost her $10,000. This isn't rare. We see it all the time. Think of unused capital losses like a store credit. Valuable but easy to forget if you're not paying attention. Check your notice of assessment, look for unused losses, and ask your advisor if they've been applied. That one question could be worth thousands.